Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing and unboxing the Food Fresh vacuum sealer by Sunglife. So of course it came with its own vacuum bags, and this white cord here, I will be talking about it much later, and of course it came with a manual. So I am so happy Sunglife was able to provide a 20% off coupon for my subscribers, and it has no limitation, so it will be down in the description box for you. And it comes with a couple options: back seal, seal, air pressure, mode, pump, and stop. The mode button has two options, dry and moist, and their air pressure button has normal and gentle. Now I am going to place the chicken inside of the bag, and this is optional. I'm only folding the bag because I don't like the top of the bag getting wet. Now that is done, make sure that the texture part of the bag is facing up. And place it in the center of the two black lines. And once that is done, go ahead and hit the button back seal, and you will see all the air being sucked out. It also seals it very tight. Another great option this vacuum sealer comes with is that it has the ability to seal jars. I won't be doing that in today's video, but it's nice to have. So I did not know, but you can actually seal cookies, beans, pasta, cheese, and fruits, and it also tells you how long you can keep it in the fridge or pantry. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I will definitely be using this a lot, and I will have this down in the description box for you.